Why, whatever on earth?
A few more steps. Here we go. Open your eyes and surprise!
Darling, it's a hot air balloon, just what I've always wanted. However, did you know?
It was simple. You had it on your All-American Brands list of dreams.
Why, I did, but it was only a dream.
Oh, now it's a dream come true. Shall we go and take it for a spin?
Oh, yes, please.
Look at that view.
It's thrilling, my darling.
How about some All-American Brand champagne, my pet?
Delicious.
And here's a little something else for you, my dear.
Darling, it's an all-American brand lady's pistol with a monogram powder pink grid. Now I'll feel safe when you have to stay all those late nights at the office with your secretary. And here's a little something for you, dear.
Oh, it's so big!
Only the best for you.
What do I think it is? Is it an All-American Brands man-machine gun?
You betcha. Now you'll have all the power you need when you go away on those long hunting weekends with your handsome man friend.
I can't wait to try it out.
No time like the present. I loaded it this morning.
And I loaded yours.
Shall we?
Be my guest.
Darling, it's wonderful. Did you see how I hit that bald eagle with only one shot? Not bad for a lady.
I'll say, my darling, you're wonderful.
And now it's your turn, dear.
Stand back.
Honey, I dare say you took out that entire herd of American buffalo.
It was a cinch thanks to you and All-American Brands. Happy anniversary, dear.
Happy anniversary, darling.
Shall we do it together?
Nothing would give me a greater thrill.
Take every day as fun to find your anniversary with All-American Brands. Right away today for your complimentary 600-page catalog today. You'll be glad you did. Be a proud American with All-American Brands.